Do a good deed, a simple guide to kindness in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase, do a good deed. This phrase is not just about language, it's about kindness and positive actions in our daily lives. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Do a good deed is a phrase that means performing an act of kindness. A deed is an action or task, and when we say it's good, we mean it's something positive, helpful, or beneficial. This phrase often implies that the action is done without expecting anything in return. It's about making someone else's day a little brighter, simply because you can. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples of good deeds. 1. Helping an elderly neighbor with groceries. 2. Volunteering at a local shelter. 3. Picking up litter in a park. 4. Complimenting someone. 5. Donating to a charity. These actions are simple yet powerful ways to make a positive impact in your community and the world. Now, let's see how you can use do a good deed in everyday English. I try to do a good deed every day, like holding the door open for others. Our school encourages students to do a good deed by participating in community service. When you do a good deed, it not only helps others but also brings you joy. In many cultures, doing good deeds is seen as a way to build a better society and is often encouraged from a young age. This phrase embodies the spirit of altruism and compassion that is valued across the world. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, do a good deed, in your English conversations. Remember, every small act of kindness counts and can make a big difference. Keep practicing your English and doing good deeds. See you in our next video.